Hello there, informed beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It is almost the summertime, and this is a time where a lot of people start to pay attention to their skincare. So I wanted to talk about underarm care and share with you guys some things that I do to make sure that my underarms look my best, and that you can also utilize in your weekly routine, in your daily routine, to make sure that your underarms are just summer ready. First thing first, let's start off with cleansing. So in shower, I already cleansed my underarms, but in shower I do have a updated shower routine coming up as well, so stay tuned for that, where I'll show you guys a little bit more. But in shower, you want to make sure you are cleansing your underarms with something antibacterial. The most easiest thing to use is Dr. Bronners tea tree soap. I'll insert a picture of it here because I don't have any more, and that is easy to lather up with under the arms, let it sit, and then rinse, and that just removes any bacteria, anything that is going to cause odor, and just really clear the skin. Y'all know tea tree is an antibacterial. It's really good. I talk about tea tree a million and one times in my videos, but it's great for overall body use, so definitely utilizing that. Also, if you don't happen to have tea tree soap, you have any type of like cast-out soap, for example like Dr. Bronner's cast-out soap that's unscented, and you have tea tree like essential oil, put a few drops of the tea tree essential oil into your cast-out soap, wet the underarms, get in the shower, lather that bad boy up, lather, let it sit, rinse it off. Okay, you want to make sure you are cleansing the underarm daily to just make sure that there's no bacteria, you remove deodorant and all that stuff, right? Also, I do have a lot of other underarm care videos, like my detoxing underarm video, underarm mask videos. So I'll leave everything above and down below for you guys to go and check those out. If you guys hear any noise, my cat is now deciding to play with a bag while I'm filming. She wasn't in here at all before I turned the camera on, but now all of a sudden she wants to play with a bag. I'm talking about you. So step number 2 is to exfoliate. I don't care if you wax, if you shave, if you get laser, if you don't do anything at all. It is important to exfoliate the underarms, because exfoliating of the underarms is going to make sure that the skin looks its best, it's clear, and that if you are doing any hair removal, when the hair grows back, it's growing back clear. It doesn't have any ingrowns, no bumps, because we don't want that. You don't want bumps and ingrowns and all that stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to properly exfoliate the underarms. Go ahead and grab any type of exfoliator that you are using. You can do this in the shower as well. It makes it really simple, and you want to exfoliate at least once out the week. So this is the vitamin C Tree Hut sugar scrub. I love this because it's vitamin C, and what does vitamin C do? It brightens the skin, and that's exactly what we want our underarms to be and our overall body to be, is bright and look good. When you're in shower, you want to make sure that the underarm is dampened, right? So you want to make sure that you dampen those underarms. Yeah, get them nice and damp. Okay, you want to go ahead and take your exfoliator and make sure I get up close. I do have hair, as you guys can see, because I'm about to wax my underarms. So this is also great to do before your hair removal. So you want to make sure that you are going in circular motions. Let me make sure I get up nice and close. Circular motions, gentle. You don't have to be rough at all, but just scrub. And I currently have a few ingrowns underneath my arm. I don't know I think I'm having a reaction to my deodorant. So I'm gonna have to lay off. If you guys can see, I'm like a little red in certain areas. It's my deodorant. I think it never gave me a problem until like now. So I don't know. My skin can be kind of sensitive sometimes. So you want to just make sure you give a nice scrubbing under the arms like so, and then you're going to go ahead and rinse. So now that my underarms are nice and exfoliated, for me, this is the time where I'm going to go in and I'm going to do my hair removal. So yeah, you're going to make sure you exfoliate first and then jump into your hair removal. My hair removal of choice is waxing, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to jump into waxing my underarms. If you guys are interested, I will do a full video on waxing of the underarms, but I'm not going to do it in this video. I want to be able to make this video quick, not too long. So waxing, if you're interested, I will do a whole other video on how I currently wax my underarms. I think I have a video already out. If not, I will link it. Same process. It's just that I use the hard wax, same thing. I think I do have a video out, but maybe I'll just do an updated one for you guys. So let's go ahead and let's wax these underarms. Alright, so now that my underarms are nice and waxed, and currently my underarms, y'all look, they are upset. I really am thinking that it's my deodorant, and I'm starting to get a little bit more ingrowns, which I've never gotten ingrowns before, so I have to figure out what's going on. And because I have ingrowns going on, personally for me, I'm not going to apply a deodorant or anything today. I'm just letting my underarms be, and I'm going to do something that's going to treat the ingrowns in which I have. Also, after this step, you could follow up with a mask. So you know how I did the benzoate clay mask, I did the charcoal mask for the underarms. You could also follow up with a mask after a wax or before a wax. Because I am having ingrown issues and I also want to moisturize the skin, I'm going to be using jojoba oil with a few drops of tea tree in it. And this is just going to help, number one, to moisturize my underarm area, as well as help out with those ingrowns, because baby, we don't need that. So I'm going to take a few drops, and I'm going to put the jojoba, a few drops into my hand. I'm then going to take a few drops of tea tree and place that right into the oil. I'm going to rub my hands together, mixing them, and I'm going to go ahead and just massage it into my underarm. Like so. You could for sure drop it underneath the arm and just like this, go like this. I do that sometimes, especially if you don't want the smell of tea tree on your hands. I will leave everything that I talked about in this video down below in the description box, and I will leave all reference videos like the underarm detox, my previous underarm wax video, as well down below in an icon for you guys to go and check out. And with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.